San Bernardino, California. It is 12:30 or 35 a.m. and these are high winds. It's going crazy out here and it is freezing. Ferocious winds. We are definitely getting very strong and very high winds. Still, it's 12:30 a.m. And just as the article says, a widespread windstorm could deliver hurricane force wind gusts in California and other parts of the West. A windstorm is forecast to bring strong and possibly damaging winds to the western U.S. starting the weekend. Over 30 million people are under wind alerts across portions of California, Nevada, and far western Arizona and Utah. These alerts include the cities of San Francisco, Sacramento, Las Vegas, and Los Angeles. Forecast wind models show a high probability of an unusually strong January wind event tonight. The National Weather Service, NWS, office in San Francisco said on Friday morning, winds across the region could reach 20 to 35 miles per hour and wind gusts in around winds across the region could reach 20 to 35 miles per hour. It's freezing out here. And wind gusts in some areas could reach up to hurricane force 75 miles per hour. Strong offshore winds will develop on Friday, blowing from the Intermountain west toward the Pacific coast. Locally across different areas of California, these strong offshore wind events are often referred to as Diablo winds, Mono winds, or Santa Ana winds. This type of offshore wind event is more commonly seen in the fall across the western U.S. when the threat of wildfire is the greatest, but the strength of this particular event is unusual in the winter months. So of course they have to put in there the wildfire. And here's a map. Santa Ana offshore winds blow from inland areas toward the ocean. CNN weather. Let's see here. Santa Ana winds. Winds strengthen and air tries as it descends from the inland deserts, funneling through coastal mountains in the Los Angeles area. So here we have high pressure up in the mountains. Then there's the desert and mountains going down. Hurricane force wind gusts. Some of the strongest winds will occur across Southern California in the form of a Santa Ana wind. Winds will likely quickly ramp up to near damaging levels across much of Los Angeles and Ventura counties by the evening, the Northwest South Office in Los Angeles said Friday morning. Well, okay. This is a wind event. Whew. I don't know if you can hear the wind.